sitting in London myself, of course, and we're all looking out the windows wondering what's going on. And I think the key thing right now, particularly given the red alert warning that we've received, is just follow the advice and keep yourself safe. Don't go outside if you possibly can. We'll need to see what happens throughout the rest of the day, but we've all got everything crossed that we'll get through this as well as we possibly can. But quite an unprecedented situation that we're all facing.